In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chat flow in HubSpot. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring that you not only set it up successfully, but also understand the purpose and benefits behind each step, making this a truly enriching experience. To kick things off, you'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. If you haven't already signed up, now's the time to get that sorted. Having access to HubSpot allows you to engage more effectively with your website visitors, giving them personalized attention right where they need it. Once you're logged in, head over to the Service section in the main menu, and from the drop-down options, click on Chatflows. This is where you'll manage all your conversations, such a vital component in meeting customer expectations and boosting service experience. When you're in the Chatflows area, you'll have three options to choose from: website, mobile, and Facebook Messenger. For our purposes today, we'll be focusing on selecting website as your chat type. Choosing this option lets you engage with visitors directly on your site, providing them with immediate support and information. Now let's make your chat widget eye-catching and welcoming. Customize its appearance to reflect your brand, ensuring the design is cohesive and inviting. Write a compelling welcome message. This is the first interaction with your visitors, so make sure it sets a friendly tone. Additionally, you can assign incoming tickets to specific users or teams, streamlining your internal process and ensuring the right person handles each inquiry. Moving on, click on the Target tab. Here, you'll define which pages the chat widget should appear on. This is crucial as it allows you to target specific segments of your visitors on the pages where they might need the most help. Consider your site's layout and decide where this real-time interaction will benefit your visitors the most, thereby optimizing the user experience. With everything configured to your liking, go ahead and toggle the chat flow to the on position. This activates the chat flow, making it live on your chosen web pages. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, navigate to the pages where you've targeted your chat flow. You should see the chat widget comfortably sitting in the bottom right corner of your page, ready to interact with your visitors. Finally, don't forget to test the chat widget yourself. Interact with it just as a visitor would. This not only confirms it's working, but also gives you a first-hand view of the experience you'll offer. By walking through these interactions, you can identify any adjustments needed to enhance functionality or user enjoyment. And that's it. You've successfully set up a chat flow in HubSpot. By following these steps, you're now equipped to improve customer service and engagement across your site. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.